Hello, hello. Myself, Vittal B. Sonabnor, working as a guest lecturer in computer application, Government Prescribed College, Khanapur, District, Belagavi, affiliated to Rani Chennamma University, Belagavi. BCom 6th semester computer application case study. Here, today we are going to discuss about case study. The case study is that journalize the following transactions in tabular form to identify groups, ledger and voucher. In this case study, there are 6 transactions of which we have to make it in tabular form, have to identify groups, ledger and vouchers. So now we will see the transactions of 1. Shivaji Traders started business with rupees 2 lakh. Second one, purchased furniture of rupees 20,000 and machinery of rupees 50,000 from Nagesh on credit. Third transaction is that sold goods to Jaya of rupees 10,000 on credit. Next, sold goods to Mantesh for cash of rupees 18,000. Next, deposited rupees 20,000 into SBI Bank. Last transaction is that paid rupees 1600 for printing and stationery. So here, how we are going to solve this manually. So we are going to discuss about how to solve this problem as a manually. So journal entries in the books of Shivaji Traders. So first of all, the first column date and second column particulars and third column ledger folio and fourth one debit side and last one credit side. The first transaction is that Shivaji Traders started business with rupees 2 lakh. In this transaction, cash account debit to capital account. In this narration, compulsory you should have to write the narration. Being started business with cash. Second transaction is that purchased furniture of rupees 20,000 and machinery of rupees 50,000 from Nagesh on credit. In manually, in second transaction also, we are going to write a furniture account debit, machinery account debit to Nagesh account. So being purchased furniture and machinery from Nagesh on credit. The same thing in the third transaction also, sold goods to Jaya of rupees 10,000 on credit. Jaya account debit to sales account, being sold goods to Jaya on credit. And next, sold goods to Mantesh for cash of rupees 18,000. Cash account debit to sales account, being sold goods to Mantesh for cash. And however, fifth one, deposited rupees 20,000 in bank. SBI bank account debit to cash account, being deposited cash into SBI bank. The same thing in the last transaction also, manually how we are going to solve. So last one, paid rupees 1600 for printing and stationery. In this transaction, printing and stationery account debit to cash account, being cash paid for printing and stationery. See here how to, this is a manually how I can explain this all things. The same thing you should have to use to solve this problem in a computer. You can open your computer and you can click on a computer desktop tally icon, or you can click on a start button, go to program and click on a tally icon. So when tally is going to software is going to open, you have to follow these steps. The company creation, steps to create a company creation. Go to Gateway of Tally screen, click on F3 or company information button present on the button bar, or press Alt plus F3 key of Gateway of Tally screen. So Tally screen is going to open. The company creation, whatever fields are there, you have to fill in that. So name, you should have to fill the Shivaji Traders, the mailing address, and fill the country, and fill the state, and PIN code, and telephone number, email address, and currency symbol. And here main thing is that one more thing, that is called as maintain. Here accounts only, the two options are available from the maintain, accounts only and account with inventory. So you should have to compulsory, you should select accounts only. And next, financial year from 1/4/2018 and books beginning from 1/4/2018. After completion of this, you have to press enter key till the accept. It is going to display on this corner side. You can click on yes. Automatically that company creation is going to be done. And the next, ledger creation, it is a very important part in a Tally software. The ledger creation, to create, go to Gateway of Tally and select account information, select ledger option to open ledgers menu, click create option under single ledger section to display ledger creation screen. Fill name of the ledger and in under select the appropriate group of the ledger. Press enter key to display accept dialog box. Click yes to accept and end ledger creation process. The same thing I am going to display the screen. Here this is ledger creation. The name you have to take, fill in this name. The first transaction in this problem, Shivaji Traders started business with rupees 20,000. In this transactions, how I can explain that manual, how we solved that. The cash account debit to capital account. The cash and profit and loss account already in a computer existing, and you have to create a capital account here and name the capital account. And when you, after mentioning this name, when you will press the enter key, automatically the cursor will comes to under a capital account. It is going to be displayed, because you can see in this right side of the screen a list of groups are going to be displayed here, and you have to select according to ledger heads. The ledger head we are mentioned over here capital under the group of a capital account. According to this, you have to create a ledger names, and under the group of here the following ledgers have to be created by allocating them in respective groups. So how the first transaction, Shivaji Traders started business with the cash account debit to capital. So cash already is there. You have to create a capital account. Capital account, it is the name of the ledger head, and under the group of capital accounts you should take. And same thing, furniture account and machinery. The machinery and furniture, in the second transaction, purchased furniture of rupees 20,000 and machinery of rupees 50,000 from Nagesh on credit. Here you should have to create the furniture account, machinery account and Nagesh account. So furniture account, it is under the group of fixed asset, and same thing machinery account also under the group of fixed asset. And Nagesh, he is the sundry data creditor to the business. Jaya account, here you can see the third transaction, sold goods to Jaya of rupees 10,000 on credit. In this Jaya account, debit to sales account. Jaya account under the group of sundry debtor, sales account under the group of sales account. The same thing, next transaction is that deposited rupees 20,000 into bank. Here cash account debit to, SBI bank account debit to cash account. Here SBI account under the group of bank account, and printing and stationery account indirect expenses, and purchase account under the group of purchase account. Because in the last transaction there is paid rupees 1600 for printing and stationery. In this transaction, printing and stationery account debit to cash account. The cash already is there, you should have to create a printing and stationery account. So here printing and stationery account is under the group of indirect expenses. So here the next step is that voucher entry. The completion of creating a ledgers, you should go to the next step, that is called as a voucher entry. So voucher entry is very important. If you made a mistake to creating a ledger entry, you won't able to enter the voucher in a proper way. So that's it. Here voucher entry is an important part, and steps for making voucher entry: follow the path gateway of Tally, accounting vouchers to display accounting voucher creation screen. Open screen required voucher by clicking voucher button present on button bar, for example F6 receipt button for receipt voucher. Here the screen is going to be displayed over here. Receipt, the first transaction is that Shivaji Traders started business with rupees 2 lakh. So you have to see on the right side of the screen, here F2 date change, F4 contra entry. For payment entry you should have to press F5. For F6 receipt entry is there, means you have to click on F6. You can press F7 for journal. You can use for F8 for sales. If purchase is there, purchase entry is there, you should have to click on F9 or press F9 in the keyboard. By using the function keys in the keyboard or by using this mouse, you can click on the option. So automatically the screen is going to process according to option wise. Here we taken a receipt F6 because Shivaji Traders started business with rupees 20,000, means cash account debit to capital account. So when you are going to press F6 function key on the keyboard, automatically this accounting voucher creation receipt keys are going to be opened. Here you can take what you have to capital account and cash account and capital account. So according to this you have to enter the voucher. Here the voucher entries are displayed over here. Voucher type 1/4/2018. So we have to 1/4/2018, 5/4/2018. Whenever by using this, but you want to change the date, means you have to use F2 key. So 1/4/2018 F6, here voucher type cash account debit to capital account, and second transaction furniture account debit, machinery account debit to Nagesh account. So in voucher type of F7, and third transaction is that sales F8 you can use, and here Jaya account debit to sales account. The same thing next transaction also, here a cash account debit to sales account, and next transaction F4 contra entry because SBI bank account debit to cash account. And last transaction is that paid rupees 1600 for printing and stationery. Here payment, here F5 you can use F5, and printing and stationery debit to cash account. So here when you are going to complete of the voucher entry by using that screen, so automatically the balance sheet is going to be generated. To generate the reports or balance sheets, go to Gateway of Tally, select balance sheet option by pressing B from keyboard or point and click by mouse. By default the balance sheet in a primary form. To extract detailed balance sheet, click F1 detailed Alt F1 button from vertical button bar. So I am going to display this screen over here. When you are going to click on this report, if you want to generate that bills or balance sheet, so you can see the liability side and asset sides are going to be displayed over each and everything. Okay.